Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel Good Faith Home DIY. Today I'm going to show you how to relocate a doorbell from a location that's not desirable to a location that's more accessible to see what's going on in the street. So in this video I'm not going to specifically go through the steps of installing the Nest Hello video doorbell, because there's a lot of videos that did a great job, but rather I just want to show you step by step how to do the extension of the wire and how to conceal it in the brick and the wall to the desired location. When I bought this house, I had a wireless doorbell here, but I wasn't like a big fan of anything that's operated with batteries, so if I have an option to run a wire and keep it working, I will do that. So initially when they built the house, they had the wires connected to this doorbell here, but it wasn't functioning when I bought the house a year ago. So I did some troubleshooting and I found there was some wires in the attic that were cut. So I replaced them, or I actually fixed them, and then I replaced the transformer, and then I was able to install a new chime and this doorbell. But now, since we're upgrading to the Nest Hello Doorbell, I think it would be a good idea to put it here rather than there, because this is the street. So when people come in, I want to be able to know before they actually reach the doorbell. So if I install it here, it will give me a notification when they reach the door, and I don't want to do that. So for this, what I'm gonna do, as you can see, I already used this masonry grinder to make like a line so that I can install an extension to the wire. It has 4 color wires. So technically I'm gonna run the blue with the blue and the white with the white. So probably there is a white here. Let me see. I don't have to use the same color, so I can just use the blue with blue, and let's alternate the white with the black. But you have to attach them to these functioning wires. You see? And then I'll buy some cement and cover it so that nobody can know that there was a wire inside here. And as you can see, I'm gonna run it all the way here down, all the way there. I used the masonry grinder, and I made a line here, and then I made a line down here. So now I'm gonna have to tuck this cable in between the grooves that we made and then attach it. Alright, today I'm gonna show you how we're gonna patch and conceal the cable. I have a mix of mortar that I mixed here with water. And you want it to be thick, but not too thick. So I got these bags. I got a couple of these bags. They're flour bags from Costco. I'm just gonna make like a small hole and put the mortar inside and try to use it as one of these tubes. This tube, which is like an advanced sealant, it's the color of my paint, or it's the closest color to my paint. It's for outdoor usage, water resistant, crack proof, and resist fade and dirt buildup. So I'm gonna use this between the wood and the brick. So let's open a small hole and see how we can do this. Not too small, just enough. You can always make it bigger if it's too small. And you want the consistency to be thin, but not too thin because it's gonna drip into the wall. Let's see. Need to make it a little bigger. If your mortar is more thick than this, you may have to wet the brick to make a better contact between the mortar and the brick. I made a little hole here in the wood, and then if you can see here in the back, there's space in between this wood and this piece of wood. So what I did, I tucked the cable in And then I made a hole here that's about 1/4 inch, and then as you can see my cables are here. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this back. I'm gonna use some coal. I'm gonna use my drill and this bit. I'm gonna try actually this one just to clean the brick from the grout, from the cement, so that we have a better, nicer finish. And with this, we can conclude this project. I'll just have to get some touch of paint and put a little bit on that seam between the wood and the brick. So, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.